Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to create an amazing thumbnail for your Apex Legends videos. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting viewers and getting them interested in your content. So let's dive right in. We'll be designing an Apex Legends thumbnail using renders from my Discord server. If you're not already a member, be sure to join and have access to tons of free Apex renders. Before we begin, make sure you have a basic understanding of graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop. These programs will provide you with the necessary tools to create stunning thumbnails. So, let's fire up Photoshop and get started. The first step is to create a new document. Make it 1920 by 1080, and the resolution 300. To make your thumbnail more engaging, consider incorporating characters or gameplay elements from Apex Legends. You can use in-game character renders or screenshots to add that extra flair. Position the characters strategically to create a visually appealing composition. For this thumbnail, I'll be using Octane, however, use whatever legend you'd like. If you are looking for a particular render of a legend, you can head to Render Request in my Discord and request your own render. As for the background image, you can either use a relevant in-game screenshot or find high-quality images online. Make sure the background is visually appealing and relevant to your Apex Legends video. Once you have your image, import it into Photoshop. I'll now add some assets to add a little extra flair. You can find free graphics online, however the ones I'm using are paid for. You can find presets for color correction under adjustments. I'm blurring the background to add focus to the text and other graphics. Next, let's add some text to the thumbnail. Choose a bold and easily readable font that matches the style of Apex Legends. Include the title of your video, your channel name, or any other relevant information. Experiment with different font sizes, colors, and placements to find the perfect balance. Adding icons or logos related to Apex Legends can help make your thumbnail more recognizable. You can include the game's logo, icons for weapons or abilities, or even your own channel logo. Place them strategically to enhance the overall design. Now it's time to add some effects and filters to make your thumbnail stand out. Experiment with color grading, lighting effects, or even adding a sense of motion to certain elements. Be creative and make sure the effects enhance the overall composition without overpowering it. To add some extra style to the thumbnail, we'll add a camera raw filter. Go through the settings on the right until you find something you're happy with. Enhancing the thumbnail with a camera raw filter significantly elevates its visual appeal. Generally speaking, thumbnails with brighter saturated colors stand out more. Before we wrap up, take a step back and evaluate your thumbnail. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the overall composition. Additionally, remember to optimize your thumbnail for YouTube by keeping it under the recommended file size and resolution. This ensures fast loading times and clear visibility across different devices. That's it for this tutorial on creating an Apex Legends thumbnail. I hope you found it helpful. Remember, thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting viewers, so take your time to create eye-catching designs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.